Ankit Bayanpuria's achievements with his natural body and dedication are well known. This guy has never been to the gym. He has built his body by following a desi diet and doing natural workouts at home. He has developed a physique that even top stars can't achieve with injections. His natural body and fitness are the reasons that have made Ankit so famous. He is also a quite popular self-improvement YouTuber. Many of you might know him. He used to look quite weak earlier, and he has mentioned that he transformed his body naturally through home workouts and diet in the initial days of his journey. The first step towards self-improvement starts with your fitness, because you will never see a person with a good natural body as lazy, demotivated, or depressed. Instead, it makes you focused and disciplined. Also, to build a good natural body and gain weight, you don't need to go to the gym or spend thousands on supplements. Today, we will provide you with a practical workout plan that you can follow at home to create an aesthetic body. So what makes a body aesthetic? First, let's talk about what you are actually chasing. You don't want to become an overly muscular bodybuilder. You need a body shape that enhances your looks, makes you energetic, and helps you get strong. Trust me, achieving such a body is 10 times simpler, but it won't happen in a few weeks. To see visible progress, you must give yourself at least 90 days. Developing an aesthetic physique simply means increasing your muscle mass and reducing fat. To do this, there are 3 requirements, and if you miss even one, you will never achieve your ideal body. The first is workout. During workouts, you break your muscles. The second is diet. The protein and nutrients in your diet help repair the muscles you've broken, increasing their size. The last is recovery. Now, to speed up the muscle repair process, you need sufficient rest, which comes from good deep sleep. Let's first discuss the first pillar: workout. For a toned body, you need to focus on your neck, traps, upper chest, lateral deltoids, lats, and abs, which gives your body a V-shaped look that is super attractive. By following this workout program, you can effectively target these muscles without going to the gym. You need to follow a push-pull leg split, which means you have to dedicate just half an hour a day for 6 days a week, missing only Sunday. Monday, push Tuesday, pull Wednesday, legs. Thursday, push Friday, pull Saturday, legs Sunday, rest. We have shared the complete guide for these 3 in the description, which you can easily copy to your phone. Just make sure to install the Strong app before opening this link on your phone. This is a free workout plan app, and this is not a sponsored message. We are recommending it to you. Now let's get into the workout. On push days, you will do a total of 5 exercises. Number 1, push-ups. Start with push-ups. This is the best exercise to target your chest and arms. You need to do 3 sets, and in each set, you can do as many reps as you can, 5, 10, 15, or more. Number 2, bench dips. You'll need a bench or a small table or chairs at home. This exercise targets your triceps and chest. If possible, place some weight on top of you. You need to perform it by keeping your body straight and bringing your elbows to 90 degrees as you lower yourself. Do 3 sets, maximizing your reps. Number 3, lateral raises with backpack. This exercise targets your deltoids, which will help your shoulders grow, making your overall body size appear wider. You just need a backpack filled with weight, which you can make heavier by adding vegetables, books, or water bottles from the kitchen, or by picking up stones from outside. You will perform it by lifting the bag straight up and down with one hand, completing 2 sets with maximum reps. Number 4, neck curls. This sounds a bit odd as not many people talk about it, but the neck is the part that connects your brain to your body and is crucial for your aesthetics. Look at these 2 pictures. A thick neck makes a person look more attractive. In the second image, the person on the right looks more appealing because of their thick neck. Focus on your neck and perform 2 sets of neck curls with maximum reps. To do this, lie on a flat bench or bed, hang your head off the edge, and curl it in that manner. Number 5, flat leg raises. This exercise targets your core, specifically your abs. Just lie straight on the ground, keep your thighs together, and lift both legs together up while ensuring they don't touch the ground when you bring them down. Perform 2 sets with maximum reps. That wraps up the push day. Next is the pull day. where you will also do a total of 5 exercises. Number 1. Pull-ups. This classic exercise targets your traps and lats, crucial for a good, wider back. You can do this easily at home. If you want, око зрения, вы можете установить брусья для подтягивания для лучшего хватания. This is more challenging than push-ups. So to start, do inverted rows by positioning yourself under a table. As you practice more, you can add variations, but initially, focus on consistency. Do 5 sets with maximum reps. Number 2. One-hand shrugs. With backpack. This exercise targets your traps. Here, you take a heavy backpack and lift it one by one with each hand to work out your traps. You can also do it with different backpacks in each hand. Do 5 sets with maximum reps. Number 3. Hammer curls with backpack. This exercise is for your biceps. Hold the backpack with both hands and lift it up in this manner. The last 2 exercises will remain the same as those performed on push day. 2 sets of neck curls and 2 sets of leg raises. Leg day. Never skip leg day. You need strong legs to avoid looking unbalanced. For strong legs, you will do these 3 exercises. Number 1. Bodyweight squats. This compound exercise targets all your leg muscles from hamstrings to calves. You'll do 3 sets with maximum reps. Number 2. Bulgarian split squats. This will target your core thighs. You can perform this by placing one foot on a small table or chair. You'll also do 3 sets with maximum reps. Number 3. Nordic curls. This exercise is for your hamstrings and glutes. To do this, simply take a pillow and place it under you. Then put your feet under a couch or something similar and perform it using your body weight. The last 2 exercises will again be the same. 2 sets of neck curls and 2 sets of leg raises. That concludes your leg day workout. You should repeat this push-pull leg cycle twice a week, and your workout will be complete. The most important next 2 pillars are diet and recovery. This is often unnecessarily complicated. You just need to understand that your weight will increase only when you eat more than your requirements. But overeating means a clean, healthy diet. You can gain weight by eating junk food, but that won't give you an aesthetic body. Just focus on consuming the right amount of protein needed for muscle growth. Ideally, you should consume at least as much protein as your weight in grams. For example, if you weigh 60 kg, you should consume at least 60 grams of protein daily. Just follow a pure, clean, healthy diet and don't think about anything else. For recovery, nothing is better than sleep. You should strategize your daily routine to ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep per day. If you don't do this, your body's development will slow down significantly. So if you liked this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel to support us. And make sure to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.